Hi! Long time no see. Even though I see you every Tuesday and Saturday. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Okay, today's video, we have a all exclusively knitting pattern video. Today's video is going to be 50 cute knitting patterns. So, a lot of you guys in my comments, although you are crocheters, I do have a lot of you who have been knitting or starting to learn how to knit, and they want exclusive knitting only videos. So I'm going to do this one for my knitters out there, or my wannabe knitters like me. And this one's just going to be a bunch of knitting patterns that I saw that I was like, oh, those are cute. I want to share those with my viewers. So that's what we have here. We've got 4 categories for this video. We have clothing, stuffed animals, accessories, and then a miscellaneous category that kind of caught everything that doesn't fit into those other ones. Before we get into it, as always, everything I say is linked in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. So let's go ahead and jump into the clothing category. Okay, so let me move over a bit. Okay, so for the clothing category, we have this really cute striped shirt. It's kind of giving like a raglan vibe, but there's a t-shirt for you. If you're into letters on the front of some vests, okay, I've got this one for you. This is Even Cowgirls Get the Blues. This creator specifically has like a bunch of different kinds of knitted sweaters and vests that have a bunch of different words on them. So you can make that one. You can make this Dump Him sweater, which I actually recently saw. I'm pretty sure I saw Teddy Fresh post a sweater with Dump Him on it or something like that. But you can knit your own Dump Him sweater like this one. You can also make this Boo pullover. I know that we're a little away from Halloween, but if you're a slow knitter or you just want to kind of put this in the file for October, you can go ahead and do that. And then I also have this autumn sweater, perfect for December, fall vibe, you know what I mean? And the last one I have for this category is our flop era sweater. I'm still figuring out how to knit like squares in general, so I have not entered the sweater category, but that one's definitely on my list when I do. That's all I have for clothing, so let's jump into the stuffed animals category. Now, for the stuffed animals, a lot of these, they're just so cute, which, I mean, on theme, because our video is literally just cute knitting patterns, but you can make this hand-knitted slug, okay, super cute, or even this shrimp, or we've got a knitted lobster. We've got a lot of little sea creatures. You can also make these little ducklings and like use mohair yarn or brush it out to make them fuzzy like this. You can make a tiny window cat or this octopus, which I kind of love, and I'm a little upset that I'm not to that skill level yet in knitting, but I'll add it to my list for later. You can make a cute little ladybug or even this giraffe stuffed animal. You can make this snail that literally just looks like a knitted tube. So you can make the snail, you can make a great white shark for our shark lovers. You can make a quick little snail if you don't have the time for the bigger one. You can even make this Scraps Chaps knitting cat. You can make a cute fox. I love this fox pattern. It is adorable. You can even make a little, I think this is a reindeer. You can make a reindeer. You can even make some fish or a tiny little dinosaur stuffed animal. You can make a cute cow stuffed animal or even this crocodile or this little mini cat stuffed animal. You can also make some little turtles or even this duck that kind of reminds me of that one duck from the insurance commercial. You can also make little sleeping dragons like these ones, or even a penguin that wears a striped sweater. Adorable. You can also make a knitted frog and then knit a bunch of cute outfits for your knitted frog, like a frog hoodie, pink overalls, these mushroom overall pants, you know, things like that. You can even make like striped sweater like this one. You can make a cow plushie with overalls, or even a cute little goose with an outfit and a bag and a hat. Okay, super cute. He's on a mission. So yeah, those are all of our stuffed animals. Our next category is accessories. So for accessories, we obviously have the Coraline knitted gloves. We also have striped knitted fingerless gloves. And then I really liked these unicorn mittens because I just thought they were like so unique, especially if you're gonna make them for kids or just like in general. I think they're really unique. I could see like an art teacher wearing them. You can make little baby booties in the shape of like duck webbed feet for photos and things like that. You can make these fun bear mittens. I love those. Those are adorable. Or even these fingerless like mustard color bee gloves or like wrist warmers. Super cute. You can make a Halloween inspired beanie if you want to get started on it early. You can make these really cute fox slippers, and you even can make this bear hat. Now, this hat specifically, if you have a knitting machine, you can like make the beanie part and then just learn how to knit the ears if you don't want to do the whole thing. But I love that. It's so cute. It's very cute. I just feel like knitting just looks, it has like a different vibe than crochet. Like when you're looking at something knitted, you're like, it just feels cozier than crochet. I don't know if that makes sense or if anybody also understands what I'm saying, but it just gives that like cozy, homemade, handmade vibe that I feel like sometimes crochet misses the mark on, even though it's also handmade. Anyways, that's all for that category. So our last category is miscellaneous. So everything that didn't fit into the other categories. There's not a lot, but there's some cute ones. You can make a knitted drawstring sheep bag. Super cute. I've seen this pattern like literally everywhere, but I love it. You can make a flattened rat as like a bookmark. Very fun, very creative, very good for like your friends who love to read if you want to give up a birthday gift or just like an I love you gift. You can make these knitted bows, very on trend with the bow trend going on right now. So you can make those. You can make them into like headpieces, add some like barrettes to them, and you can clip them in your hair. You can add bows to like sweaters or hats or gloves, like the top of gloves, like right where your knuckles are. That'd be really cute. You can even learn how to knit these tiny little sweaters to put on like the bulky part of a key, so your keys will also have sweaters. Now you can even take this pattern and make like keychains in general and not necessarily have a key wearing a sweater, but I love that. I need to learn how to make, maybe learning how to make a bigger knit sweater will be easier than learning how to make a tiny knit sweater. I don't know which one would be easier. I feel like probably the bigger one, because you're working with bigger yarn and bigger needles maybe. I don't know. Anyway, that is all I have for you when it comes to our 50 really cute knitting patterns. As always, everything I say is linked in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I showed you. If you're looking for the picture that I showed you on the screen, they are all on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked down below in the description box. If you're looking for my Instagram or my TikTok, those are also going to be linked down if you want to follow me over there. I've started doing monthly giveaways on my Instagram. By the time this is up, the December giveaway is over, but there will be a January giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely go follow me over on Instagram. And other than that, comment down below if there's any other kind of knitting themed video that you want. I am starting to kind of broaden, not just do crochet. So if you're a knitter and you're looking for specific 50 knitting idea videos, let me know in the comments and I'll add them to my list and I will start getting on those. So other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!